First, make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Then, open the app. Next, tap the inbox icon located in the bottom menu. Choose the chat where you want to send a voice note, either a private conversation with a friend or a group chat. Tap the microphone icon at the bottom right of the message box to start recording your voice note. Speak clearly and share your message. If you make a mistake, tap the trash can icon to delete the recording and start over. Voice notes let you communicate faster, add a personal touch, and convey your message clearly without typing. When you are done, tap the send button on the right to send your voice note instantly. If you accidentally send a voice note, you can delete it for everyone within 3 minutes by long pressing the note and selecting Delete for All from the menu. The voice note will then be removed from the chat for everyone, and a message will appear showing that the note was deleted. So that's how you can send voice notes on TikTok.